Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our employee health equity account. So let's get started. So to log into your employee health equity account, what you can do is just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for employee health equity login. And after searching for employee health equity login, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option, which is from member services login help. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply tap on the login option, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And now what you can do is just tap on this option which says health equity, and then tap on account login. So after tapping on account login, now what you can do is just simply log into your account. So to log into your account, you just have to enter your username or email address and then enter your password. So after entering your username or email address and then entering your password, what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password. And by tapping on forgot password, what you can do is just easily create a new password for your account. So after creating a new password for your account, what you can do is just come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created and then tap on login. So after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have not created an account yet, what you can do is just simply tap on create username and password, and by tapping on that option, you can create an account for yourself. So after creating an account, you can just use your account. But if you already have an account, what you can do is just simply enter your username and password and then tap on login. So after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. And that's it guys, this is how to log into your employee health equity account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.